All right. Hello to everyone that's out there. This is Amanda coming to you with a quick live video. Today is March 20th, and I know it's been a while since I've done a live video, but I'm here. I've been a little bit under the weather and a little bit busy. And hey, Monique, what I want to do is just introduce to you this new program that I've been working on called the S3 method. And I'm just excited about it because I've been able to bring in over 600 members since January 4th, showing people how to earn without recruiting. And what I'm going to be doing today, within the next 15 to 20 minutes, is I'm going to actually go ahead and show people proof and what it is that I've been doing to earn this $75 to $100 per day. Okay. I found a company where you can answer some really easy and quick questions, and they pay you for your time and for completing the information. So what I want to do is basically share the information with people to give them an idea of what I've been doing. Not only that, show them proof, because I've gotten about 5 payments over the last 3 days. And I just want to introduce this to people, especially those who are having a hard time recruiting and sponsoring people into a program. So that's really what this is about. People that are looking for extra cash flow, for traffic, for their other online business opportunities, or someone that's just looking really to get away from the recruiting and sponsorship. You're able to do this and be successful at it without having to bring in a single person. So if you can join me tonight, I would gladly appreciate it. And if you are not available, I would highly recommend that you inbox me and ask me for the replay, okay? Because it's going to be very short, straight to the point, but it's going to be extremely powerful for those who are looking to earn a full-time income online and have been struggling, okay? And that's 97% of the people out there, okay? They just don't have the knowledge on how to run traffic, maybe don't know how to create funnels, don't know how to work a autoresponder, email series, and things like that, because there's a ton of components that are there when you are trying to build an online business and you're trying to market something. And sometimes we don't get all of the information that we need in our back office, or we may just be overwhelmed with the information that we receive, not knowing what traffic methods to use that you can actually use to benefit you and get you to start earning consistently. So with this program, you're going to be earning within your first 48 to 72 hours. It's going to be consistent. I'm earning 4 times a week along with other teammates. And not only that, we have a prospecting group. So if you want to get see other people's results, we have a Facebook group. You can also request to be added to that, where you'll see proof that this system actually works. Okay, so I'm looking to connect with as many people as possible, get people excited, and let people know you don't have to be one of those people that keep failing time after time, trying different things all the time. You can literally come into this and start building momentum, building up your confidence about working online, and take this as far as you want. Okay, it's really up to you. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks for being with my friend on Facebook if you're my friend. And please stay connected, stay inspired. Hey William, hey Kelly, hey Mary, stay inspired, and I'll see you guys again another day. So have a great night.